So after about 100 printing hours, your printer will notify you to lubricate the Y-axis rails. But why stop there? Today I'm going to show you how to keep your Bambu A1 running like a dream with some easy essential maintenance. And stick around to the end, I've got some bonus pro tips you won't want to miss. This is the perfect time to lube all the rails and keep everything moving smoothly. Let's start with the Y-axis rails. Remove the back cover and slide the print bed away from you so you have access to the rails. Use a paper towel or a microfiber cloth with IPA to wipe down the rails, including the backside. Next, apply the lubricant. Now it might be a good idea to print and use this little helper tool, just to spread the oil more evenly. Move the bed back and forth a few times to distribute the lubricant. Let's move on to the X rails. Let's wipe the rails clean. Lubricating the upper rail is easy, but the underside is a bit tricky. Now gently apply it all along the rail while moving it side to side. And use that printed tool to help spread the lubricant evenly. Now let's move on to the Z-axis rails. Let's wipe the rails clean. Take a cloth and even dampen it with some IPA if it's really dirty. Move it up and down until it's clean. Now for the Z-axis rails, you need to use lube grease. Apply lube grease with this small tool up and down on both sides. Next, it's probably a good idea to clean the fans and extruder. Remove the front cover for access to the hot end cooling fan. Next, remove the extruder wheel. Undo these two screws to reveal the filament cutter. Now remove the screw and take the handle part out. Check the cutter blade. If it's worn, replace it. Then blow out all the dust bits before reassembling everything in reverse order. And don't forget to fan underneath too. It collects a lot of dust. Here's a little tip that helps me keep my prints looking good. Keeping your build plate clean. A dirty build plate equals poor adhesion. Here's how to keep it spotless. Wipe it down before each print using IPA with a microfiber cloth. And every month or so, wash it with soap and warm water for a deeper clean. And when removing prints, only touch the edges of the plate to avoid transferring grease from your fingers. This simple habit prevents adhesion issues and, worst case scenario, the dreaded blob of death. And tip number 2, keeping dust off your rails. Check out this 3D rail cover. Make sure the print head is all the way to the left, then slide the cover into place. It's that simple. And that's it. Regular maintenance like this keeps your Bambu printing perfectly and extends its lifespan. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and if I've missed anything out, please let me know in the description below, and I'll see you in the next one.